Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can set Steam link code in your Steam app. So guys, if you're trying to set a Steam link code but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to just open your Steam app and make sure you're logged in. And after you're logged in, you just need to look at the top where you can find library. So just go ahead and hover over it till you find home, collections and downloads. Just go ahead and tap on downloads, and right at the top right corner you can see this gear icon that says open download settings. Just go ahead and open it, and now you're in Steam settings. Once you're in the Steam settings, you just need to be in this page and you can find remote play. So this is what we need. Just go ahead and tap on remote play, and after that finally you can see options like pair Steam link, unpair devices, and finally set pin. So guys, this is what we need. Just go ahead and tap on set pin and set your Steam link security code. So it is totally up to you on what you want to set. So it can be anything that you want. It says that it should be a numeric pin code up to 10 digits. So make sure you do that and enter it. And finally, after you've done so, just go ahead and confirm it. And in this way, you would successfully be able to set Steam link code. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.